This is the abstract. Nowadays, from healthcare industries, large volumes of data is generating. It is necessary to collect, store, and process this data to discover knowledge from it and utilize it to take significant decision. Diabetes is a disease that occurs when your blood glucose, also called blood sugar, now, insulin hormone made by the pancreas help glucose from food to get into your cell. It's used to energy, and sometimes use your body does not make enough for any insulin. Does not use insulin well. So, diabetes is the most important problem for a world. Now, second for objective is the project is research to make use of various machine learning algorithm to predict the type 2 diabetes and mostly use of the PIMA Indian diabetes data sets to diabetes disease data set. This data set is originally from the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Disease. Now, this paper discussed the machine learning approach for the predictions of diabetes performance comparisons between different machine learning algorithm, that is predictive modeling, decision tree, logistic regression, and reading bursting. Now, I will introduce two machine learning algorithm to use the diabetes prediction. Machine learning is an excellent technology for predicting data in the medical field. Machine learning automatically predict large data, very short time and minimum interaction with patients. Machine learning deals with the development of technologies which allow machine to learn. The change is to create algorithm that can take a group of pattern, border range, existing knowledge and automatically make new reference from the initial information with or without human intervention. So, diabetes is a chronic metabolic disease caused by elevated level of blood glucose or blood sugar, which leads over time to serious damage to the heart, is blood vessel, eyes, kidney, nervous, and most common is type 2 diabetes. Usually, is adult which occur when the body becomes resistant to insulin or does not make enough insulin. La Type 2 diabetes is accounting around 90% of all diabetes cares. Types of diabetes is like type 1 diabetes, type 2 and gestational diabetes. Its symptoms is excessive thirst and hunger, frequent urination, drowsiness or fatigue, dry itching skin, blurry vision, glow, hearing words. So this is the symptoms. Next, research for the ionic keys as proposed approach to systematic effort was made to identify and review machine learning and data mining approach applied on diabetes. Machine learning research, diabetes machine rapidly emerging is one of the greatest global health challenging of the 21st century. And second for the Dipti Sisodia to uh, accuracy with Nevin Bayes classification according to 76.30 percent using the Nevin Bayes algorithm to predict the type 2 diabetes, and these are the now I will using the predictive modeling technologies to predict the type 2 diabetes and so on. Predictive modeling use non-result to develop is Trano test the data used to predict volume for different or new data. The modeling result is predictions that represent the probability of the large variable or example revenue based on the estimate signification set of the input variable. And predictive modeling under the algorithm like logistic regression and using decision tree and gradient bursting all and logistic regression used to describe data or explain the relationship between the dependent binary variables nominal ordinal interval or ratio level independent, And decision tree algorithm being the family of supervised learning algorithm. Unlike other supervised learning algorithm, decision tree algorithm can be used to solve regression classification problem too. Its goal to decision trees to create the training model use predict class value of large value variable by learning simple decision rules in free from prior data. And third one is gradient boosting. These are the very important for the boosting is method for converting weak learner into strong learner. Each new tree is fit on the modeling version of the original data set. We can compute the classification error from this new 2 tree sample model growth to third to predict the revenue. Steps for every blood glucose reading were put into a table for all patients over the age of 20 to 70 along the patient's ID, unique ID. We second further we remove record for the missing data in any one of the column. Visualization data that has the diabetes and which does not have diabetes and description. Correlation between features. Next step is using for step by step to logistic regression, decision tree and gradient boosting. This is the output stream for using the algorithm and comparison for this algorithm to accuracy finding the 79.16% for logistic regression, decision tree 72.39% or lowest accuracy or grading boosting was 81.25% for high accuracy. Conclusion for we have described a machine learning approach to predicting diabetes and early stage. Diabetes is very dangerous disease that causes premature death. Study shows that it's possible to some people to reverse it through diet change and weight loss. You may be able to reach and hold normal blood glucose level. Now, the result of our method shows better performance in terms of the efficiency and accuracy. We have applied many machine learning algorithms on diabetes dataset and the performance of those algorithms we have been analyzed. Accuracy of logistic regression 79.16%. Decision tree was 72.39% and this is the lowest accuracy. Grading boosting was 81.25%. This is the high accuracy. These are the referencing using project and for thank you.